Yo, YouTube, welcome back to another video here on the BitFunny's channel. It's your boy Zay. We talk about crypto analysis. We look at Bitcoin, Ethereum, other altcoins, and we just go ahead and tap into the market and just see what it likes to do. Currently, it is Tuesday, May 20th, 2025. It is around 8:14 a.m. in the morning. Bitcoin is sitting approximately at $105,000, which is pretty good. Looks as though right now we are rejecting resistance here at the 106.6K area, which happened a little last night and some yesterday. And based off the daily and 4-hour, we are rolling over. I do see us coming down to one of our key support areas that I have marked off here, which is here at 97.6K. Right, so as we're seeing a rejection here, it's not a surprise because we had similar encounters here. One, you can count this as two, and then that's three, and this right here will be the fourth time right here. If we successfully, break this level or break this low right here, and we come back down, that will be a fourth time where price has rejected off of the 106.6K area. Right now, when price comes here, it's going to be imperative that we just look and see how price reacts once it gets here. If it comes down here and it dips below but it recovers very fast, that could be a bullish indicator. If we come down here, we slowly chop around and we mess around here at this area, not really get any bullish momentum, we could continue to slide down. And yeah, that's really the main two things. Like, we could bounce off this area or we can continue sliding down. One of the key things to look at though, if you already know, I need a stretch. If you already know, is the S&P 500, which we still have been doing extremely well since our recovery back here in April, around the beginning of April. Our recovery has been pretty solid. We have been, continuing to break these levels, these resistance areas, and, recapture them as we tested support here, got back up, tested support here, got back up. And now, we would like price to continue to do the same thing. So the S&P is bullish. This 9 times out of 10 is going to lead Bitcoin to be bullish as well. Excuse me. So that's currently what we're seeing. Something easy and simple. If we look at the Ichimoku cloud, we can see that the cloud has started to form back green and it's starting to push up towards our support area. This is on the daily. If we look at the EMA ribbon, we can see we have a nice amount of support here at the top of the range. Don't be surprised if we get down here to the middle of the range and still use that as support. That is here on the daily. If we scroll over to the 4-hour, I think we'll get an even better indicator of what's going on. So you have this green cloud here. It is somewhat thin, but if we come down here, we might have a strong chance and possibility to continue pushing forward with some momentum. So even if we break below here, boom, we can continue to rise up just due to the fact of the S&P, the market structure, what's going on in today's economy, and all the above. The EMA ribbon right now, we're at the top of it, but we are at the top of it. But if we break below, don't be surprised if we come back and reclaim it, right? That is what I'm seeing right now currently on Bitcoin. So I'm gonna go ahead and scroll out. We looked at Bitcoin, we looked at the S&P right quick. Let's go ahead and tap into Ethereum. Do see Ethereum, it tried to bounce off this mid-range, really wasn't 100% successful because we didn't break some of the lower highs set. So now I will be targeting this 2.6K area as a potential area to buy, and that's going to be determined upon the ETH to BTC chart. So this right here is really good, because if we start here, this took 60 days to drop down from this point all the way here. It took 60 days for real. Right here, it took a total of 5 days to recover all the trauma that we've been through as far as Bitcoin's value to, I mean, Ethereum's value towards Bitcoin, right? Now that we've had a surge, we are able to come back down, possibly test some of these levels, and then get a beautiful entry into some of these coins, right? So this looks good. Let me go ahead and draw. You know what I'm saying? Price came here, decided to drop some more. We chopped around a little bit. We recovered this area, this range right here. We broke above it, came down, tested as support, got above it, tested as support again, and now it looks as though we're continuing to push forward. So this is just a good is this an inverse head and shoulders? Yeah, inverse head and shoulders. Shoulder, head, shoulder. You know? So that's just what I'm seeing right now. So it's almost time for Ethereum to pick up a little bit of steam. It's not full-fledged ready to go yet, but it is recovering somewhat. So I will say that. Similar with Solana, we were able to break out somewhat from the lows here at $94. A nice retest anywhere within this range right here. Mainly right here is what I'm seeing, around the 120 range. I think is really, really good for a nice buy. And then similar here, we are at resistance from what I see on Doge. Anywhere between the 16 cent and 19 cent, I believe, is a really, really good betting area to, you know, bid long or to invest long term into Doge, right? And yeah, we just gonna end it off like that. You know, nothing too crazy. Just something that I'm seeing here on the market. I like the way that price is moving. Hopefully it can continue to drop so we can get a nice entry and then make a lot of profit in this second half of the bull run, right? Thank y'all for tuning in. It's Tuesday. Y'all have a great day. I'm catch back up with y'all in the next one. Gone.